Student. I really need to start making some money. But with school and everything, it's hard to find the time. Mr. Animator, fear not, fellow student. Here are 5 ways you can earn money, using the latest technology. Hi. I'm Mr. Animator. First is to sign up for gig economy platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to offer skills/services online. Second is to build and sell apps. If you have a knack for coding/web development. Third is to participate in online surveys or market research studies for cash rewards through Survey Junkie or Swagbucks. Fourth is to become a virtual fitness coach through apps like MyFitnessPal or Fitbit Coach. Fifth is to earn money through transcription services using voice-activated technology through Rev or TranscribeMe. There you have it. With these 5 ways to earn money using the latest technology, you'll be well on your way to making some extra cash as a student. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content.